Hello and welcome one more time to our channel. My name is Luis and today is the filming day for Halloween. Then I don't know what I'm going to do. It's the first time you will see me doing my makeup, which is almost the kind of makeup I do before for when I do shows because I like a lot of tribal concept. Then I don't promise the best because I have a lot years don't do makeup on myself. Then let's see what's happened. Hello everybody, welcome back one more time to Design by Riveras. On today's video,
We're gonna do a full review.
we keep a full review, but for first time, and our models, we have a male model, which is a big dancer.
His name is Alexis.
Then welcome Alexis to the family of model of Design by Riveras, and we hope you enjoyed this video.
Before you start watching this video, make sure you subscribe, share, and like, and let us know in the comment down below what do you think. We would like to see your opinions.
And how do you like our looks? What we don't know. We only create and that's it. This is the game. This is what we do all the time. We don't follow any character. We only create what we like. Then let us know what is your opinion about our looks today, and if you like, and how we recreate this look. If you want to do, let us know, and we go to give you all the information down below. This foundation is one of the holy grail of my collection. This is one of the products I use for a longer time and I love because it's to apply with airbrush, but you still can use with a sponge or brushes. And the final setup is beautiful and dewy or matte, depends what is the look you want to create. And the coverage is medium to complete, depends how is the layers you work and what is the instrument or the tools you use to apply. For that reason, I will give to this 9 of 10. Once you done the level of coverage you want with this product, the good about this is the look how you can create. You can create or do it look very easy or a complete matte. Everything depends on what product you use to set it and how many layers you use to the coverage. I can say for the quality of the product, but remember this is a pro product, which means you can find before this product only in the Pro store of Mac because it's special for airbrush. But no matter what, the product, the price is between 30 and 35, which I think so for the level and the quality of the setting look and the final product look you will have and the amount of product you have in this bottle is fair enough to I can give one completely 10 of 10 and the qualification. Like you can see until now, my review of this product is more than positive because it's not only how they look, it's the experience I have with them. And I can say what I more like is one time you done your look, you will have a beautiful dewy skin or complete matte. And the best of that is the skin never will look oversaturated of product. All depends how you apply this product, but still the product is light and very flexible to work on the skin and is amazing and work perfect for mature skin. And this section is one of the sections I more want to give a good rate because it's not only about what is the result of the product, it's the experience we have for the long 7 to 8 years using this product. It's amazing how this product not only long last for a lot hours, is even you can sweat and you can wear this for all day and it still will look very, very good at the end of the day. We keep a full review, but for first time, and our models, we have a male model. Then welcome Alexis to the family of model of Design by Riveras.
Make sure you subscribe, share, and like, and let us know in the comment down below what do you think.
Then let us know what is your opinion about our looks today, and if you like, and how we recreate this look. If you want to do, let us know, and we go to give you all the information down below. See you, and bye.
Hasta la